Welcome to Fusion HVAC, specializing in sustainable modular air conditioning and refrigeration technology. Traditional ducted systems take weeks to install, not to mention the planning and coordination issues that arise due to the clashes with other services, such as structure, sprinklers, lights, cable trays, etc. Usually, clashes with the installation of the internal fit-out are also a huge problem. Such ducts typically take weeks to install, sometimes months. Moreover, poor air diffusion from traditional diffusers that do not mix air thoroughly results in dumping, drafts, with stagnant spots within the space. When heating, warm air stratifies at a high level and in short circuits. Warm-up times are very long. Fresh air does not mix down into the occupied zone, and excessive high-level return air temperatures cause heat pumps to trip on high pressure. The large amount of exposed ductwork on the roof increases the risk of leakage, weathering, heat gain or loss. Often, architects and clients complain about the HVAC equipment, and ducting forms a focal point on the roof that dominates. Note the expensive, heavy and bulky galvanized platform structure. Now here's something smart, a fully factory manufactured HVAC module that eliminates spaghetti runs of ducting. Each module comprises a specially modified package heat pump, control system, modular acoustic dropper and new specialist smart temp variable volume constant throw swirl diffusers, especially developed for fusion. The modules arrive fully completed and pre-commissioned and are simply crane lifted into place, fitting together like Lego, and are fully installed in just a few hours. Heat pumps have been specifically developed for the modular systems, ensuring that issues such as leakage, noise and poor control do not occur as would happen with standard equipment. Note the power and communications cable entering the side of the module below the roofline. These serve the rooftop package units located on the roof above. This will save 2 additional roof penetrations, further reducing the risk of leaks. For aesthetic purposes, the sprinkler pipe enters a module at high level, passing through the module and terminating at a sprinkler head at the bottom of the duct. Controls too have been developed to maximize performance in all conditions and include such smarts as sensor redundancy, demand control ventilation, fully modulating enthalpy economizers, independent operation and comms failure, rapid warm-up cycles, speed control fans, electronic expansion valves, etc., depending on client requirements. A modular design can be tailor-made for any suitable site and ranging capacities per module from 10 kilowatts up to 250 kilowatts. We even have modular designs for chill water systems. Note the smoke exhaust fans on the side of the rooftop package unit. These fans serve as both pressure relief during normal operation and smoke spill in fire mode. Using this physical configuration, smoke is exhausted by the return air section of the module, which saves an additional and separate roof penetration for a smoke exhaust fan. There is minimal galvanized structure above the roofline, saving substantially on capital costs. A specially designed overflashing fully protect the ductwork from the elements and eliminate the threat of water leaks even in tropical downpours. High technology variable volume constant throw swirl diffusers by Smart Temp, especially developed and tested for the modular system, are used. High induction swirl discharge strongly mixes in room air, diluting the supply airstream and breaking down the discharge velocity to create uniform temperature distribution over long throws without drafts. Under part load operation, airflows can be reduced to as much as 30% whilst maintaining a constant throw. Significant energy savings are achieved. Long throw nozzles are additionally used to reach the far corners of the space. Lights and signage will be unaffected by the airflow. The diffuser central core is motorized to swivel downwards when heating, and special control sequences are used to optimize the warm-up times of the space, which can be reduced by up to 10 times that of a conventional ducted system. Fresh air for the indoor air quality control is supplied into the occupied zone without stratifying. This reduces the amount of fresh air required, as CO2 sensors in the space adjust fresh air dampers accordingly. Substantial energy savings are achieved. The smart way to condition large spaces. Fusion HVAC, specializing in sustainable modular air conditioning and refrigeration technology.